Healthcare development is a strategic priority for the state, and medical workers make an immeasurable contribution to strengthening public health, Kazakh President Kassym-Jomart Tokayev said today. A solemn ceremony marking Medical Workers' Day was held at Akorda. President Tokayev reminded that the new constitution places special emphasis on healthcare, underscoring that preserving human life is not only the responsibility of medical professionals, but also of society as a whole. Thanks to consistent efforts and state support, the sector has already achieved tangible results. Last year, the average life expectancy in the country approached 76 years. Over the past 3 years, maternal mortality has declined by 35%, while infant mortality has decreased by 24%. These are the lowest figures since independence. Over the past 7 years, around 1,300 healthcare facilities have been built across the country. The health insurance system has also been modernized in line with contemporary requirements. Today, more than 280,000 specialists are employed in the healthcare system. Over the past 3 years, state support for the sector has increased sevenfold. Salaries for doctors and nurses have risen, and additional payments are provided to medical workers in rural areas. Since 2023, 655 new primary healthcare facilities have been built. This year, over 30 district hospitals will be modernized, and new specialized research institutes and clinics will also be constructed. The president has instructed the government to carry out a large-scale renovation of the entire healthcare infrastructure and to develop a support program for primary healthcare workers. The consistent modernization of the medical education system is of strategic importance for the country's future and for preserving public health. It is encouraging that specialized universities are being transformed from traditional educational institutions into strong centers of science and high technology. The internship is becoming a full-fledged stage of professional training. Its graduates will now enter practice as fully independent physicians with a basic specialization. Today, Kazakhstan is confidently establishing itself as a regional center for medical tourism. This is the result of high treatment standards, a favorable price-to-quality ratio, and the introduction of innovations. More than 1,800 clinics in the country have already transitioned to a digital format. Thanks to the use of new technologies, the detection rate of tumors has increased by 1/3. President Tokayev noted that work in this direction will continue. In addition, the president supported the government's proposal to grant Astana Medical University the highest national status. The university may also be named after academician Turgeldy Sharmanov, while Qazaqstan Medical University may be named after its founder and long-serving head, Petr Pospelov. Today, the head of state presented state awards to more than 40 healthcare workers.